Hey guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, what's up, hello, my name is Sydney. For today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be like a sweatpants lookbook. So I'm taking the same pair of sweatpants and I'm going to style them. So I'm taking the same pair of sweatpants and I'm going to style them 10 different ways. I thought this would be a really fun little video to do, you know, because I don't know about you, but all I've been wearing are like leggings and sweatpants because I work from home, and when I'm home, I'm off of work and then I'm just like hanging out because of everything that's going on in the world. But yeah, so I thought this could bring you guys some inspiration. Maybe you could try it out, challenge yourself a little bit, because it kind of was a fun little challenge for me to go through my wardrobe and see what I could piece together while just styling these lovely gray sweatpants. So also, just to kick this off, these sweatpants are from Brandy Melville that I'm wearing. I'm sure they still have them, but I will try to link them down below, or anything very similar to them, because I love these sweatpants. They're my favorites. But yeah, anyways, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram and let's get into it. So this first outfit number one here, is going for a little bit more of like a comfy, edgy vibe. I mean, every outfit of these outfits are a comfy vibe, you know, but this one is a little bit more edgy. I got my Doc Martens on. I paired it with this really cute long sleeve tee from PacSun. It has like some barbed wire like graphics on the sleeves, you know, everything that just screams like I'm really edgy, that kind of thing. Yeah, and I just tucked it in a little bit, and then just layered some necklaces too to give it a little bit of bling, a little bit more of like kind of a dressed up look, I guess you could say. For outfit number two, this is definitely more of like a chic sweats kind of look, a more dressy sweatpant look. I'm going to pair it with these really adorable sock booties. I believe these are from Public Desire. I can link some below. And then just with a matching kind of like gray blazer too, and then just a black bodysuit, this cute little mini purse, and just, yeah, called it a day. But this is so cute. I'm really, really obsessed with this look and how it turned out. This next look is really like my on the go. Like, I am wearing sweatpants, I am comfortable, but like I also look kind of like cute. You know, I got my ball cap, I got my vintage like distressed like bleached t-shirt on, and like I would like throw on Air Force Ones or even like Converse with this. Just like I'm heading out of the house and I like kind of want to look decent, but also I'm wearing sweatpants, so like I don't care. You know what I mean? This next look is definitely one of my favorites. So obviously still wearing the same sweatpants. That's the theme of the video. But really accessorizing with my socks, these shoes, which are so cute. They have like a platform and then like a little flame detail on them. So adorable. They're from Nasty Gal. And then this reworked vintage little Chanel tank top that just like spices it up like so much. Like, just throw Chanel on something and it's like, boom, you're cute, you know? But again, this is just a really adorable, cute, comfy look. I love the accessories with it. And then I would totally layer necklaces with this too. This next look here is more of that like really baggy, loose fitted, hobo-ish, if you want to say, kind of look with, you know, the oversized flannel, throw on a beanie, for especially those days where like your hair is really dirty but you just don't have time to wash it, or just like don't feel like it but you need to leave your house, so you throw on a beanie. That's what we are going for. But I would just pair this as well with like some cool socks and probably some Air Force Ones. This next look here, we have another chic sweats kind of look going on. This is actually maybe one of my favorites. I don't know if I've already said that about another one, but this is another one of my favorites. So I just layered a lace bodysuit with like a little t-shirt, just for a more cutesy look, and then threw on a faux leather jacket for like that edgy look, put on these sock booties again, and boom, you have really, oh my gosh, look at Scout, he's so cute. Oh, I love him. But yeah, and then just layering all those accessories and everything, and you have such a cute but comfortable chic look. I'm obsessed. This next look is definitely like giving me some Tiger King vibes, like Joe Exotic. Who is he? I'm Joe Exotic. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Just kidding. That was weird. Anyways, yeah, this is totally more of like a relaxed look here with like the huge, just cozy tiger print cardigan and big old band tee. Throw on some platform Converse to give it just like a little bit more of an edge if you're running out of the house. But I just really love like how baggy and lazy yet still put together this looks. I think it's really the cardigan and the band tee and the Converse that bring it all together. And I mean the sweatpants. Okay, it's the whole outfit. I just listed off everything in the outfit. Yep. This next outfit, we are going for that monochromatic matching set kind of look, and I am clearly very pumped about it. Just paired these sweats. Oh yes, and this was when a TikTok song came on, so I did the dance. We love that. Wow. Okay, moving on. Just paired these sweats with a gray cropped sweatshirt for like that matching set kind of look. I really love this too. It's so effortless, and like you look put together with the monochromatic going on. And here we have another version of like an edgy kind of outfit. So I'm just wearing like a ribbed crop little t-shirt, and then my faux leather jacket again, and I just kind of tied the flannel around my waist last minute just to give it more of like that really like jughead like edgy look to it. Throw on some platform Converse, and like that's a look. Like that's really cute. I dig it. Wow. I'm just kind of looking at it right now as I record this voiceover, and I'm like, dang, I actually really love this outfit. And finally, we have the star of the show, the huge hoodie outfit to go with your sweatpants, and I'm wearing Crocs slides. Like this is the life. Look at that potato sitting on the couch, loving life. Yes, this is like my go-to, I would say. Literally this whole little ensemble here. But yeah, like what is better than pairing like a huge hoodie with a pair of sweatpants? Nothing is better. It's life. And then of course the Crocs, they're having their moment too. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed kind of how I pieced these all together. I tried not to be extremely basic because I mean, when you think of sweatpants, you just think of like this last outfit here, just like a big hoodie to go right with it. But yeah, I really tried to challenge myself a little bit. The biggest thing I would say is just to accessorize, you know? That's what I do. If I'm wearing sweatpants and I'm going out in public, I just like throw on a ton of necklaces and just a cute bag and some sunnies and call it a day. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram so you can see my fashion in action on the Insta. Yeah. Okay, I love you. Bye, guys.